Welcome, here I've got WIKO View 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this settings bar. We have to remember to stay on settings from the right, not in the modes from the left. So let's be here, and as you can see we have the picture size option. So by just one tap we get access to 3 sizes: 12 megapixels with 4:3 ratio, which is now 9 megapixels with 1:1 ratio. So let's pick it, and in the camera preview now we can see the difference. The background has changed to the square one. Another tap to the right corner and to the picture size, and we can go to 7 megapixels with 19 and 9 aspect ratio, and in the preview we can see that this is the full one. We can change this also here on this settings bar by tapping on the second from the left button. So here we have short access to aspect ratio, and we can easily go back, for example, to 4:3, the original one. And that's all. This is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.